So an expansion on the 5 elements. What are they? What do they signify? What are the shapes? What are the colors? So we start with fire. Fire is a very evolving thing. It's always in movement. In fact, fire is always never still. So fire is about this ideas of fires of creativity. If you have a lot of fire element, you're always very on the go. You're always thinking a lot. You're always about creative. So this is actually very good for the creative arts. What is the symbol of fire? The sharp shapes, triangles, anything pointed can be considered fire. What about color? Colors, red colors. So of course, pink also included. You like fire, right? So you'll have a lot of red and pink. Now, of course, this is about movement, energy, and basically get up and go. You cannot use red colors in your bedroom. You cannot. A lot of people, when they use red colors in the bedroom, they find that they cannot sleep. Why? Because the color is so aggressive in a way. Right. Next one I look at is earth. Earth is about stability, it's about very calm, it's about, just being there. What are the shapes of earth? Earth is square or even rectangle. And the color is yellows. So when you want something about earth, earth is good for a very light earth color would be, say, a barley white, or beige color can be very suitable for a play area for the children. You don't want them to be too yin. Why are kindergartens? You see them, they have many colors, but the kindergarten kids are always very active. Yeah, fine, because they need a little bit of family and fire and so on. But in yellow, then they'll be more calm. Metal is about round shapes and it's silver, actual silver, gold, and white. These are the colors of metal. Metal is about, is about finesse, it's about detail. You want something to be very detailed, you put a little bit of gold or a little of silver into the finish of that area. So something about doing very detailed work. You want to be really about doing all the analysis. Have a little bit of gold trim around the decor. Water. Water is about a wavy shape, and the colors is blue and black. Now, water is about, very interestingly, water is also about calmness, but it can also mean the same thing. It can mean that it is quietness. So blue is actually good if you want a place of quiet contemplation, no talking. So libraries, things like that, blue color, very good. But I would prefer blue rather than black. Black, too much black, not so good. Wood is green and the shapes are long. Right, so green, or I would say brown. Green is a color of growth. So you want something growing or something a lot of where the activity is about growing things or about growing a people, education. We talk about having a lot of green in there. So you have a classroom, I would recommend things like a green with a bit of, maybe a bit of white or blue, and then maybe not so much red if it's a classroom. Okay, so this is a little bit on the 5 different elements.